Good day guys, this is Sean from Diecast channel, and today I have for you a premium series from Tomica. This one is the Subaru Impreza Wrx Sti. So as what I've said, this is a part of their premium series. So this is probably one of my favorite Tomica premium models out there because of its details. This one has the same, I think this one has the same wheels as the Skyline, the red Skyline. So you can see the interior has awesome details. It has blue bucket seats. So this is Japan model. So they based it on Japan's WRX because it is right-hand drive. You can see the headlights are transparent. It has an STI tempo there. Awesome details on the grille. So the corner lights also are painted. So amazing details at the back. It has a plate number, and what does it say here? It says, let me read first. Nah, I can't read it, it's too small, but there's details there. Rear headlight tempos. The spoiler is plastic or rubber. Amazing paint. The paint finish on these Tomica Premium Series cars are better, way better than the Tomica basic cars, because I had the Honda Civic Type R basic car. The paint on the spoiler is not finished quite well. This one, it's finished all over, and it has metallic paint. So here it's made in Vietnam. So excellent details even on the base. No opening, this car has no opening parts, which is the only thing that disappoints, but man, look at the details. Look at the outlines on this one. So it has suspensions. I think this one is quite lowered already. Amazing car. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the review of my Tomica Premium Subaru RX WSTI. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.